Ho times three. Get it? It's ho ho ho. Get it? It's ho times three. Santa says that. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again. We're not once again. We're back once again. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. You know, whatever you celebrate. I really want to say happy holidays. So I appreciate you for this amazing year that we've had on TutsByKai. I really appreciate you, every single person. Really do. I really want to say that. Now, the holidays is upon us, as always, and every single year, it's always such a great feeling, and it's always so warm and Christmassy, and it's been a couple of really weird years we've had with all of these things going on in the world and everything. So I want to take the time today and just create a cute little Christmas tree. That's literally all that I want to do. I just want to make a little cute Christmas tree today, and that's what the video is going to be. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna talk and just have some fun today. So we're just gonna do some stuff, which is a nice change of pace for me. So I don't have to just frantically tell you everything that I'm doing. I can just kind of talk and say hi, which I never get to do. So, hi, how are you? How's your day been? How's your night been? Wherever you are, I don't know. Like I said, I really do appreciate you guys for watching the content and the videos and everything. I really do. A lot of people are always say what's some of the things that I've always wanted to say in videos, but I just didn't have time because I didn't want to waste time in the tutorial. Oh, you guys are always saying you find my voice relaxing. That's cool. I'm glad that you guys think my voice is relaxing. Yeah, that's something that I always wanted to say. What else? I hope everyone is having a great holiday time. Hopefully you get to see your family. If not, then hopefully you get to see them over Zoom, or over some kind of form of social media, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, what have you. But yeah, so I feel like Christmas has always been my favorite time of the year, not because of presents or anything like that, but just because it's always been a lot of fun just to see how people are. People act so different during Christmas time. It's crazy. People are just so, usually, I won't say all the time, but they're just usually just so nice and so warm and so fuzzy. That's the word I want to use. Yeah, they're always so warm and fuzzy, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's just something that I've always really enjoyed about people during Christmas time. And I've done this in a very strange way. But hey, listen, it works, all right? It's low poly, and it works exactly the same way as I wanted it to. It just looks weird, okay? Actually, it doesn't work the same way, because now I have messed up vertices. I shouldn't do it like that. I should just do it the regular way. I'm just talking, not even paying attention. Maybe this is why I don't just talk and not pay attention, huh? Maybe that's the reason why. We're gonna actually have weird. How do I want to do this? We might as well just leave it the way that it was, actually, if I'm honest with you, and we'll just extrude it inwards like this. It's a much smarter way to do things. There we go. And we'll hit 0. I'm talking like I'm making a tutorial again. But yeah, so I really my plans are to keep everything exactly the same way. We've been doing the same thing. I've been doing the same thing on the channel for a long time. What am I looking for? I always forget. We've done the same thing on the channel for a long time now. Those have been following. But yeah, I plan on keeping the tutorials exactly the same. Don't plan on changing anything at all. We're gonna be doing exactly the same way. Hopefully, you guys are still enjoying the tutorials just as much as I am. We need some kind of height on this. There we go. Cool. Now, like I said, I'm not going to be changing anything. We're just be doing exactly the same way as always. More Blender tutorials, more pixel art. I need to do more pixel art tutorials. You guys love pixel art tutorials. We need to do more of those. We're going to be doing a lot more drawing. Hopefully, I'm going to get back into that, because it's been a while since we've done any digital art, hand-drawn kind of stuff, on the channel, and that needs to be fixed ASAP. So yeah, this looks really cute. I like this. These need to be white though. Oh no, I want to make it so that it's green and then on top of it's white. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's do this. We'll duplicate that and move it up. All right, nice. Okay. So yeah, that's really cool. You know what's funny is that I don't think I've said this in a video before. I get comments all the time. You know what I mean? Oh, and by the way, let me mention this just in case. If I don't respond to a comment, it's not because I'm egoing you. It's not. It's not because of that. I get a lot of comments on the channel now, and it is hard to keep up with them sometimes, especially. And the thing is that the way YouTube works, if I reply to a comment, it doesn't put it in the same place. So if I reply to you and then you say something and I don't respond again, it's literally because I didn't see it. That is 100% because I didn't see it, because the way YouTube works is that if I respond to it, it takes it out of the comments you haven't responded to catalog, which is the catalog that I go to most of the time, so I can see all of the comments that I haven't responded to. That's the default place to go. So if I miss it, then it's literally because I didn't see it. But yeah, I want to say that because I know some people might get upset that I didn't respond, and it's not because I'm ignoring, I promise. But let's go ahead and actually subdivide this tree. What was I saying? Oh yes, all of the videos for the new year. I want to like, we're posting like, I think I'm doing like 3 videos ish a week. You know what I mean? I'm trying to keep that 3 videos a week for you guys. Why is that still coming up like I'm trying to subdivide something? That's weird. 3 videos a week. I'm gonna try to keep that that kind of schedule, kind of layout kind of thing going on. But something that I do really want to do more is potentially looking at doing a different type of video a day. But we'll have to see, you know what I mean? We'll have to see. I don't want to say anything and put it in stone, you know, but yeah, we'll see. I just want to be doing more digital art videos and more pixel art videos instead of just Blender, because I know a lot of you guys enjoy those as well. We'll just make that 0. Actually, we'll just delete it. Actually, I don't even need it. This just doesn't even need to be there. All right, cool. Now with that, we'll make that brown. Nice. Oh wait, I need to make a new material. What am I doing? All right, new. But yeah. This is nice. This is relaxing. Probably gonna be playing Christmas music while I'm doing this. I should have played music for myself while I was doing this. All right. Move it down a little bit, I guess. Yeah, move it down, and then we'll just grab these and pull them up. All right, there we go. Cool. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am, because I love this. I love this, just making something and just chilling. We might need to do this more often. Just talk and make something. It's like a Kai builds, you know? Just Kai models, you know? Oh, whoa, what buttons did I just hit? That was weird. All right, there we go. And we'll just put this in there, and then that'll be... Well, we'll leave it white. Oh, that's perfect. It'll be the same color as the snow. And then we'll make a second one, and the second one will be the one that we use as the render looking thing. There we go. Pull it down a little bit. There we go. All right, and then we'll just make a little back screen for this bad boy. Pull it straight up. All right, there we go. Grab these 2. Cool. So yeah, I'm excited about the new year. I'm excited for the new year. I'm excited for the things. Like I said, I'll say this in the video because I haven't said it. I didn't say it in the video yet. But we just hit 75,000 subscribers on the channel just a little tiny bit ago. So thank you guys for that. That's crazy. That's absolutely insane. Like, I remember when I started this channel, I told this story before, but I started the channel just because I was trying to learn how to make things in Blender, and none of the tutorials that I found, although I might have found some good tutorials, none of the tutorials that I found were for things that I wanted to do. Like, I was really into making intros and making like motion graphic stuff, and there was never any tutorials for those kind of things. It was like the day-to-day stuff, you know, like the simple stuff. Like, I didn't need to know how to make a forest, you know what I mean? I didn't need to know how to make a you know, a bathroom with towels in it, you know. I didn't need to know how to make those things. Nice tutorials, you know, but I didn't want that. I wanted to learn how to extrude something, you know. I wanted to learn how to parent something, to parent 2 objects together, you know. And there wasn't too many tutorials for things like that, and I just decided to when I figured out something, I just decided to just post it. It wasn't like a whole big thing. It wasn't supposed to be like a whole, channel. It wasn't, I was just like, I can maybe help somebody because I couldn't figure it out. Maybe I can help them figure it out so they don't have to like learn trial and error the way that I did. And then it kind of just took off from there. And I never thought this channel would like do anything that it's doing right now, which is just crazy to me. And all the love and support you guys show is absolutely just, it blows my mind. Like I mean, I know YouTubers say this all the time. Just it blows my mind, all the love and support. But it's true. Like it actually really is true. I really mean that. I was never expecting it to kind of go like this, and it's just it's crazy that I'm able to help people every single day, and you guys are like, thank you for this. I've been doing it for hours. I get these most amazing comments where people are like, I was looking for how to do this for hours, and I came across your video, and that was it. And I'm like, that's cool. Like people. The fact that someone was trying to do something for hours and then finally landed on my video and was like, that was how I figured it out. That is so cool to me. Because that's essentially what I used to struggle with is trying to figure out how to do something for hours. And then I finally figured it out, So it's just really cool to me that I'm able to kind of be that catalyst for people now, which is very, very epic. Now, what am I doing here? I can't get that to be the way that I want. There we go. Cool. Nice. So yeah, that's just really cool. Like I said, I really appreciate the love as much as you guys appreciate the videos themselves. I don't like this being this tan color. I made a mistake here. Let's make this like a blue. It needs to be like more peaceful. Ooh, dark blue? Question mark? Ooh, gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Nice. We made a nice little Christmas tree. Do I want to make up like a present? How long have we been going? 11 minutes? We can go a little bit longer. Just vibe with you guys for a little bit more. We made a little present. Just a little present, you know what I'm saying? Maybe Santa came and he just wanted to hang out and just dropped off one bad boy real quick. All right. What else can we talk about? We've been talking about the new year a lot. Let's talk about the new year a little bit more. Before a while ago, if anyone is been on the channel for a while, I did a taking a look at you guys' art. I didn't like critique the art because I think that's not what you guys want me to do. Maybe you do, but I feel like it's going to offend some people, and I don't want to do that. You know what I mean? So we won't do that. But I do want to do more videos and stuff where we look at you guys' art, because I think that's really, really cool to be able to look at people from the community's art and be like, hey, this is something that somebody from the TBK community made, and it's one of the members of the TBK family. So I'm like, it's a very, very cool thing to maybe take a look at some art that you guys have made. So I think what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing another one of the looking at you guys' art videos, which is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but we haven't really done it. So sorry about that, guys. My recording cut off a little bit there, just for a couple minutes. I finished the present, but I was saying that was something that I wanted to do for a while. So keep your eyes peeled for the looking at you guys' art thing once again. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but we'll come across that bridge when we get to it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and drag this present back over here now. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, looked over, my recording was kind of stopped not halfway through, but it was only like 45 seconds that you guys missed. But yeah, so like I was saying, what I want you to do is I really want you to enjoy your holidays. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Kwanzaa, all that stuff. I really, really, really hope you're having a fantastic Christmas, a fantastic holiday time. It's been like I said earlier, it's been a couple rough years that we've all had kind of collectively together as people. But yeah, one of the best things about Christmas, about the holidays, is that you can just make someone's day by saying hello, saying happy holidays, just spreading some love. So right now I want you to go down in the comments. Even if you never left a comment, I want you to go down and say happy holidays to somebody. Even if you don't know them, just go out and say happy holidays. I'm going to start like a happy holidays train in the comments, and I want you guys just to participate, because like I said, it's just a whole big mess that everyone's been in for a while. So if we can have a fantastic holiday time year this year, hopefully next year will be better as always. And as long as we stay positive about things, things will definitely get better. So hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this, actually. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Please enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy the rest of your year. I am going to enjoy mine. I really hope that you do as well. I will see you in the next one. Hopefully Santa Claus comes and gives you all the presents that you want. And if he doesn't, listen, that's not what the holidays is about. I hope you spend time with family. If you don't have family, I hope you have a fantastic time on your own. Listen, there's always fun to be had on your own. Watch some fantastic movies, drink some hot cocoa, do all that good stuff. I really, really appreciate the love. Please, please, please have a fantastic, fantastic couple days here in the holidays. I will see you in the next video. But until then, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, much love. Bye-bye.